Welcome students. Today in this video we will learn about the biology topic, that is inheritance and variation, which is equally important in the NEET exam also as well as for state board students also. This topic we are learning, which is also included into the state board new syllabus. Okay. So let's start. We will learn about the inheritance and variation. Before we have to start the chapter inheritance and variation, we have to understand that this topic is included in the genetics. Okay, it is included into the genetics field. So what is genetics? First we have to understand genetics word. So genetics, this is the branch of science in which we are learning or doing study about the heredity and variations. Okay, so genesis, the word genesis. Genesis means origin, or we can say birth. So what is the origin? What is the birth of the organism? How it is happening? All these things are included into this subject or into this field, genetics. And inheritance and variation is the same related with the genetics. And this is very interesting also. Why interesting? Because sometimes we are also suffering from these questions before we are learning about the genetics. Okay, once you will understand the genetics, then you can easily find out the questions answers. Okay, so the questions like this, that why the twins are forming, or why the some peoples are having the curly hair, some are having straight hairs, some peoples are having the brown eyes, some are having the black eyes or blue eyes, like this. So these are so many curiosities we can understand, or we can find out in our side. Okay, so these all questions are solved in this genetics. Okay, so one person was there which was contributed much more important things for this genetics field, and that's why that person was named as father of genetics. Okay, so we will learn that about him. The Gregor John Mendel is called as father of genetics. Why? Means Gregor John Mendel, he is called father of genetics because he has done that type of work. He has given much more laws, much more important things, basic important things, which was not studied yet when he was done study. Means he was he was done much more important work, and other peoples, other scientists at that time are not aware about at all about this. Okay, so and this one important thing we have to understand, that what is heredity or inheritance. So what is heredity or inheritance? That whatever the species we are seeing around us, okay, so these species are having, or they are having ability to produce the other generation same like them. Means exact not same, but like that. Means mango tree is giving the seeds, and when it is growing, the seeds are growing, they are having the mangoes only, like that. Or some humans are there, they are giving birth to the human childs only. Okay, like that. These are the genetic material which was transferred from one generation to another generation. Okay, and this helps to produce same animals like that, the species is. Okay, so this is about the heredity, or it is also called as inheritance. Means it is transferred, something was transferred from one generation to another generation. So what is variations then? So this variation means, we can say that suppose one parent is having much more height, okay, and their child is means they got the child which was very dwarf means short. Okay, so what is the changes? That they are having much more height, but their child is having short or dwarf size, okay, height. So this is the variation. Why this happens? This is also due to the variations, means inheritance or genetic material changes, all these things are there. So this is the reason why the genetics was very interesting. Okay, some peoples are there, means the parents are very white in color and the child was black in color, like that. So people are laughing on them, but it was genetic matter. Okay, why the girl is happening, or why the means girl was born, or why boy was born. This is also the genetic matter. So once you will understand all the things, then you can easily determine that what are the reasons behind these type of questions. Okay, so let's start about the history of Gregor John Mendel. Gregor John Mendel was the person which was not actually the biologist. He was the mathematician. Okay, actually he was the mathematician, but he was interested in the plants also. Okay, why he was interested? Because his father was gardener also. Okay, and when they are living at area, that time his father was given the training or given much more important knowledge to his child, and that's why he is having the interest in the field of these plants also. Okay, and when Gregor John Mendel was the working as a priest at one church, in that church also he got the area, much more large area to take care of that garden also. Means behind that church he got the garden also. So he is taking the care of that gardens, that plants also, as well as that church also. Okay, so what happened in that? He was done study on one specific plant. Okay, the name of that plant was Pisum sativum. Okay, Pisum sativum, the common word is that garden pea plant. We can say the garden pea plant. Okay, and scientific name of this plant is Pisum sativum. Okay, Pisum sativum is the same scientific name for the garden pea plant. Okay, so he has done the work on this plant, which is, we are know that these garden pea plants means we are doing chane. In Marathi we can say chane, like that. Okay, so he is using that plant to grow in his garden, and he was done the different type of experiments. So he was born in 22nd July 1882. Okay, this is also very important, because the history of this John Mendel, when once we will understand this, then we will understand the next points also related with this topic. Okay, so he was born in 22nd July 1822 and died into the 1884. So he was died in 1884. So what happened in that? When he was done research on this garden pea plant, and he was published his work also. Okay, but what happened in that? In that situations, means in so many years ago when he was doing this work, that time there are no much more he don't have that much facilities to produce his work or publish his work into the international level. Okay, because publishers are not ready, or that he is not having that much help from the things. So his work was published at local areas only, and this is also one very bad reason for his unsuccessfulness when he was alive. Okay, that he was not got that much prize or that much name and fame for his great work. So what happened in that? When he was working on this plant, he was published that work. So many people have rejected his work, and they have not accepted the new ideas, which was totally different in the day-to-day life of that time in biology. There are some reasons why the work was not accepted by the peoples. First thing is that he was the mathematician. First thing was, so what happened that so many biologists get hurt, means they think that one mathematician is telling us the biology, means mathematics is totally different and botany is totally different. So they thought that he is telling about the botany, so they are not ready, or they are not interested to do study, or whatever they are he is going to tell, they are not accepted the work. This is one reason. Another one reason is that he was mathematician, so obviously what he has done in his work, he was taking help for mathematical formulas or mathematical working in the his work. Okay, means maths and biology was first time was combined, and that was very different thing that time. Okay, so used maths in bio. How he has used like that, he was used a mathematical formula, probabilities or statistics. In this case here he is using in that work. Okay, so what happened in that, another one reason was the publications, means local publications. No international publication. Okay, means he used maths in biology, means data analysis, means whatever the data analysis he is doing here. Okay, and no international publication was available that time to produce his work at international level or global level. This is also one reason. Another one reason is that there is no use of linkage also. Means whenever he was done study, there is no linkages. Means he was very lucky that he's got the characters which was same or single characters are there. Okay, so these are the reasons why the Mendel was not get publicity in that time. Okay, but that was one part. But another one thing, that when he was died, okay, so when he was died after 16 years after his death, means after 1884 in 1900. Okay, what happened in this, in the starting of 20th century, three scientists, that is Hugo de Varys, which was present from Holland, another one is the Corians, which was from Germany, and third was Treasure, which was from the Austria. These three scientists was doing the study on different plants, and what happened in that same year, all these three are doing the work on the same year. Okay, this is very interesting that at the same year three different scientists are doing at three different areas the work, and all got knows that before our study someone was there which was having the same study, or which was having the same means postulates or same working, and he is also said the same things which we are doing the work, and they have given the reference for their research paper of the Gregor John Mendel. At the same time, what happened that when they have published their works, so they have given the whole credit to the Gregor John Mendel. So that time people think that what is the great work of the Gregor John Mendel, and then they have published their work and the credit they have given to the Gregor John Mendel also. Means that time again the people came and then they have again reworked or they have republished the work of the Mendel, and that time we know that this is the very great tremendous changes in the life of biology. Okay, so these three scientists have the given the work, and he was called the father of genetics. This is about the history of the Gregor John Mendel, which is very important. Okay, another one thing is that these are the related things that why he was not get success that time for his work. But though he was not successful for their appreciation or the work, but he was successful in his experiment. Okay, means he was very much successful in his experiment. So the reasons are also very important. Reasons for success. Reasons for success of Mendel's experiment. Means whatever he has done the study in his garden, so that the experiment are having much more good results, and that's why he was able to do the study, he was able to write down the laws, all these things. So what are the reasons? The first main reason is that the selection of plant. First reason is selection of plant. So which plant he has taken? The plant name is Pisum sativum. Okay, so Pisum sativum is that type of plant which is having very short life. Okay, so this plant is having short life cycle, which is very helpful for Gregor John Mendel to multiply their numbers. Means 3 to 4 months for this plant it is necessary to grow. So what happened that in 1 year he can take so many times the production of that plant. Means so many generations he can easily study in 1 year. Okay, so he was taken the plant which was very important, and he was the son of gardener, so he was very interested and he knows all very well. That's why he selected this plant. Another one is there, that large sample size. We can say that large sample size. So what happened that we know that if we will know the Pisum sativum plant, in one plant we get so many bees. Okay, so जो garden peas रहते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक plant को मिल सकते हैं seeds. Okay, so this is the easy way to collect much more data. And he was already mathematician, so he is perfect in data handling also. So many datas are there, so many probabilities are there, and so many accurate questions or answers he will get from his experiment. So large sample size helped him to do the proper work, do the proper examples or study. Okay. Another one thing is that pea plant is having self and cross pollination also. Self and cross pollination in pea plant. Means this plant is having the characteristics that it can be done by self, means self pollination, or it can be done by the cross pollination, means hybridization also. Artificially hybridization is also done in that plants also. It is easy also. Okay, so this will help them to count the pure lines. Okay, and this is one reason that self and cross pollination, both type of pollinations happens in these plants also, which is very suitable for his research work. Okay, another one thing is that this plant is also having very much contrasting characters. Contrasting characters means much more different characters. Means one plant is having heighted or much more tall size, and another plant is having dwarf size, not in between that. So totally different characters are there. One flower is the means purple color, so another flower is having the white color. So total contrasting, not the in between that color. Okay, so like that he is having the different contrasting characters also, which is helped him to do the work on this plant. Okay, so these are the reasons why Gregor John Mendel gets success in his work. And he was done so many years study on this plant, and he was given the data. What characters he has done in his experiment, we will see. So the characters he was taken. Okay. We can say that here is serial number. Again, character. dominant and recessive. Before we will see the characters, we have to understand that what is dominant and what is recessive. Okay, so dominant means that characters which was expressed in that particular individual, and recessive is that character which was not expressed in F1 generation. So all we will learn in our next video, that basic terms, what is the meaning of that terms, or what is the meaning of that words F1 generation or pure lines, like that we will see in next videos. Just here we have to understand that only which type of characters he was done the study, and then how they are working we will see in our next video also. Okay, so first he was taken one character, that is height of the plant. One is character which was dominant, that is tallness, tall. Another one is dwarf. Okay, this is contrasting. Okay, another character he was taken, that height of the plant. Another one is that the flower position. Flower position means, suppose this is tallness, okay, and this is dwarfness. Flower position means, suppose axial and terminal. Axial means that type of flowers which are having the flowers at side. Okay, here the flower is present. Okay, suppose this is plant and here this side the flower is present. Okay, so this is the axial position. What is terminal position? Here the flower is having the at topmost, means at the end of that plant. So this is the contrasting character, means once it is having terminal position, another one is axial position. Okay, so this is also one character which was done studied by the Gregor Mendel. Third one is there, color of flower. Color of flower. Okay, so some flowers are there which are having purple color. Purple color, and some plants or some flowers are there which was not having any color, so they are having white color. Okay, so they are having the white color. Another one character he has done study, that the shape of the seeds. Shape of seeds. So some seeds are having round shape, so it is round, and some are having wrinkled, like this wrinkled they are having. So this is also difference, that the seeds color is seeds shape is also different. Some are having round and some are having constricted, means some are having the wrinkled shape. Okay, another one is there, pod shape. So the seeds are present in that pod, so the shape of that pod also. Some pods are having inflated, means like this. Okay, inflated, and some pods are there, these are having constricted, like this. So constricted. Okay, so this is the one thing. Again, he has done the seed color also. He was done the study on the seed color also. Sixth is seed color. Some seeds are there which are having the color which are yellow, and another one is green color. Okay, so this is also one thing. Then seed shape is there, means round and that thing, another one is there. Okay, flower color is there, flower position is there, seed shape and seed color also. So seed color is there, green and yellow. Pod color is also there, yellow and green is there, and last one is there, shape. So one is there, pod color is there. That is green, and another one is yellow. Okay, so seed color is different and pod color is also. Some pod are green and some pods are yellow. So we can. So there are 7 different type of characters he was mostly done study, or he was done the experiment. So you can see that he was considered height, tall and dwarf, flower position, that axial and terminal, color of flower, some flowers are purple and some flowers are white, shape of seeds, some seeds are having round shape and some are having wrinkled, pod shape is there which is having inflated and some are having constricted, seed color, it is also having 2 types, that is yellow and some seeds are green. Pod color is also, some pods are green and some pods are yellow. So this is about the 7 characters which was done by which was studied by the Gregor John Mendel in his work on the Pisum sativum, and he was get huge success in his work also, because he was done data analysis, number of experiment he has written, number of seeds he was means having, and the next generation means the lifespan of that plant is also very fast, means less, so it was easier to grow these plants in 1 year much more times. Okay, so these are the reasons why the Mendel got success, and he was the means first person who was done the study like this. Okay, before his work no one has done the study like this, so that was the one thing that he was nominated, or he was awarded as father of genetics. But after his death, while he was alive, no one has given the word scientist because to him, but he was very disappointed that time, because he done so much great job, but people have not accepted his work. But that means these 3 scientists was there, Theodore, or that Koreans, and that Varys. Okay, Hugo de Varys, they have given the name, or they have given the credit to Gregor John Mendel. Okay, so in our next video we will learn about the next some important basic terminologies which was used into this genetics, and these genetics words or terms are very means important, which will help to understand the basic concepts in our next points also. Okay, so thank you students, do study. Any doubts you are having, please ask me in comment box also. Okay, thank you.